Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn about kitchen utensils, the special tools that help us cook yummy food every day.
Cooking spoons.
Cooking spoons.
Yay!
Used for stirring, mixing, and serving food. Spatula.
Spatula.
Yay!
Used for flipping, turning, or spreading food. Tongs.
Tongs.
Yay!
Used for gripping and lifting hot food without touching it. Ladle.
Ladle.
Yay!
Used for serving soups, curries, or gravies. Whisk.
Whisk.
Yay!
Used for beating eggs, mixing sauces, or whipping cream. Peeler.
Peeler.
Yay!
Used for peeling the skin of fruits and vegetables. Grater.
Grater.
Yay!
Used for shredding cheese, vegetables, or spices. Kitchen knife.
Kitchen knife.
Yay!
Used for cutting, slicing, and chopping food. Paring knife.
Paring knife.
Yay!
Used for peeling, trimming, and small cutting tasks. Cutting board.
Cutting board.
Yay!
Used as a safe surface for cutting and chopping. Measuring cups.
Measuring cups.
Yay!
Used for measuring dry and liquid ingredients. Measuring spoons.
Measuring spoons.
Yay!
Used for measuring small amounts of spices or liquids. Rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Yay!
Used for rolling dough for chapati, pizza, or pastries. Strainer.
Strainer.
Yay!
Used for draining water from pasta, rice, or vegetables. Mixing bowls.
Mixing bowls.
Yay!
Used for mixing ingredients while cooking or baking. Serving spoon.
Serving spoon.
Yay!
Used for serving rice, curries, and other dishes. Forks.
Forks.
Yay!
Used for eating, holding food, and light mixing. Spoons.
Spoons.
Yay!
Used for eating or serving food. Butter knife.
Butter knife.
Yay!
Used for spreading butter, jam, or soft spreads. Teaspoon.
Teaspoon.
Yay!
Used for stirring tea, coffee, or measuring small ingredients. Can opener.
Can opener.
Yay!
Used for opening canned food items. Bottle opener.
Bottle opener.
Yay!
Used for opening bottles with caps.
Mortar and pestle.
Mortar and pestle.
Yay!
Used for grinding spices and herbs. Tea strainer.
Tea strainer.
Yay!
Used for straining tea leaves after boiling. Pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
Yay!
Used for boiling and preparing meals. Cooking pot.
Cooking pot.
Yay!
Used for boiling, cooking, and preparing meals. Frying pan.
Frying pan.
Yay!
Used for frying eggs, vegetables, or meat. Plates.
Plates.
Yay!
Used for serving and eating meals.
Great job, kids. Now you know the names and uses of common kitchen utensils. Next time you see them in your kitchen, you'll know exactly what they are for.
Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.